Welcome to Ksolves Odoo Shopify Connector. In this video, you will learn how to configure the sale auto workflow in Odoo for the incoming Shopify orders. Head over to Shopify Connector, click on Configuration, click on Sale Workflow. Let's create a new sale workflow. Give the sale workflow a name. Click on Validate Order to confirm the orders. Click on Create Invoice to create invoices. Click on Validate Invoice to validate the respective invoices for the orders. Click on Register Payment to register payment. Select Payment General and Debit Method for the incoming Shopify orders. Select Force Invoice Date if you want the invoice date to be the same as order date. Click on Confirm Shipment to validate the deliveries. In this way, you have created a sale auto workflow. Now head over to instance. Open the configuration for the instance. Head over to Order Information tab. In the sale workflow configuration, add Ksolves demo workflow and select the order status for which you want to apply the sale auto workflow. Click on Save. In this way, you can configure sale auto workflow for incoming Shopify orders. Contact us at sales@ksolves.com or visit the Odoo App Store to start your free trial today. We will be sharing more feature videos on the same. Thank you for watching.